here. Today we are going to be showing you how to make sticky beef. The ingredients are beef, coriander, fresh chilli, fresh lime, salad cress, corn flour, orange juice and sweet chilli and dark soy sauce, and then last but not least salt and pepper. Now we've got my gloves on, we're going to start with the beef. I'm doing my lines. Now the beef's done, we are going to be seasoning it.
Ruby's now putting a bit of salt on it. She's well seasoned the beef.
Now the pepper.
It's important to make sure you get it seasoned all the way around the beef.
Now we're going to make the sticky sauce. First we're going to start off with half of the orange juice.
Daddy'll help.
That's it. Now we're going to put a good amount of the dark soy sauce. You need it to have a good amount so then you can have good colour and good taste. That's about enough. Now the sweet chilli to give it a bit of spice. That's definitely enough. Now put this aside, grab your chilli and cut it up to give it a bit of power. Make sure to cut it all the way through. Now put this aside, grab your chilies and plonk them in. Now it's ready for the stove. Now that's cooking in the back, we're going to go back onto our beef. First we're going to have a bowl. Now we're going to add our corn flour in. Add all of that. Now our beef. Now just put these aside. Now you need to massage the beef, like you're going to massage someone. And you have to make sure the beef gets fully coated with the corn flour.
Right, Rubes, how are we getting on with that beef?
Good.
Oh, wowzers. It's going to be super tasty, this.
Just like this.
Hi guys. Right, so I'm just taking charge of this part. We've got a frying pan on here, quite a nice centimetre of oil in it. We're going to fry the beef off that Ruby did and make it crispy. So first of all, we need to get oil nice and hot.
We just want to move the beef around and make sure there's no overlapping. The beef needs 3 to 4 minutes frying on each side.
We've also got our nice sauce here, which is reducing nicely. Here we go, back to Ruby's sauce that she's made. Got some lovely, lovely fresh coriander going in it. Gives lovely aromas off it. There we go, back on the boil. Right guys, we've had it a long time on this. It's a very hot pan, this one. That's why it's for adults to do. We're just going to turn the beef over, make sure you've got that nice crisp coating on both sides. Yeah, you see nice and crisp that. This is what we're aiming for. Get it down in that oil. Let's have a look at what else Ruby's been in this pan. This is reducing, lovely this one. There we go. It's turned into very much like a syrup texture. Right guys, that's absolutely perfect and now nice and crispy. Let's turn that flame off. Right, now it's important, we need to drain the beef. So we'll put the pan just there so you can see that. Try and get as much off so it's not all coming on the spoon. You can see that is nice and crispy now. It's got that nice coating on it. This is the kind of food that it is really an adult's dish, but kids actually really enjoy it. There we go. So we've got there is crispy coated beef. Now we're going to add it to the sauce and let Ruby take charge. As you have a look there, it's sticking to the pan. So when you're moving the beef round, you can see that the sauce is actually coming away from the pan, and this lovely sauce is sticking to that beef. So it's coating it all. Look at that. Absolutely fantastic, Ruby. There we go, let's turn that heat off.
Now get some pea shoots and roll it into a bowl. Now you put it to the side of your dish, and then you get your lime and place it on top. Now grab our beef and sauce and put them in the bowl next to your salad. There you go.
I'm sure you'll agree, Bubbles did a fantastic job.